Fight among rivals on the earth. Pursue dreams toward the sky. Every leap of human cognition of nature is inseparable from innovation and development. Qingdao is the cradle of China's modern industry. Sentury is based right here. It guides the development of the industry with an international perspective, fights the wave of the times with an innovative attitude, and forges Sentury's profundity and broadness. Following the highest standards in the world, Qingdao Sentury Tire Company Limited devotes itself to R&D, production, and sales of green, safe, and higher quality semi-steel radial tires and aviation tires. In terms of safety, reliability, efficiency, and cost, it redefines the intelligent manufacturing of tires. In China and Thailand, it established two world's leading intelligent manufacturing bases and an aviation tire production base, creating Chinese tire intelligent manufacturing, the globally new landscape for Sentury. It impresses the world with a thriving new power of Chinese intelligent manufacturing. Innovation stems from change. Sentury continues to evolve in development. In the whole process of production, it builds the automatic, information-based, intelligent, digital, visual, and traceable smart manufacturing new model. To promote high-level combination of informationization and industrialization, and realize the integration of informationization and industrialization of enterprises. Here in Sentury, all devices can communicate independently. Perfect connection between devices makes production easier, more precise, and more efficient. Here in Sentury, all devices can sense autonomously and adjust automatically. Acquisition and interaction of information in the whole process makes complex processes orderly. Here in Sentury, each tire has its own DNA, which achieves traceability and full lifecycle management of the product. Green ecology goes first, marking Smart Factory's low-carbon manufacturing concept of Sentury, which infiltrates into every link of its production. Synergistic application of multiple environmental friendly and energy-saving technologies creates Sentury Green, clean, low-carbon, and recycling eco-manufacturing model. This model becomes a green drive that helps coordinate enterprises and society development. Innovation stems from persistence. Sentury people interpret artisan feelings by pursuing innovation and excellence. They keep improving products to embody the era connotation of the craftsman spirit, rooted in R&D concept of continuous innovation and looking to the future. Sentury brings together the world's top R&D talents with world's leading R&D equipment and systems. Sentury never stops the basic research of product design simulation and real vehicle testing, which creates ultra-low rolling resistance tire, self-sealing tire, graphene tire, noise-absorbing tire, and non-pneumatic tires, and other series of high-quality, high-tech, ultra-safe, and green innovative products. Sentury has successfully developed civil aviation tires over the past 7 years, which makes it one of the few enterprises that boasts the core technology of aviation tires in the world, and which helps inject new vitality into the development of the whole industry. Innovation stems from demand. Sentury keeps pace with the pulse of the times, setting the strategic goal of creating a world-class tire brand, focusing on both product and brand image. Sentury spares no efforts in refreshing the experience of consumers. With high-quality and diversified products and refined service system, it aims to meet individual needs of consumers. Open a new multi-dimensional marketing model and build a new image of the brand to carve the brand image on the hearts of consumers. Sentury, Landsail, Delinte, and Groundspeed. The 4 brand tires of Sentury, well selling in more than 150 countries and regions around the world, are deeply trusted and favored by local consumers. Innovation entrusts responsibility. Sentury advocates the concept of green production by offering consumers a greener, safer, and more comfortable life experience, caring for society and based on the industry. It actively fulfills the social responsibility and offers assistance to poverty-stricken areas. It gradually forms industrial assistance, accurate poverty alleviation, donations to school, medical public welfare, which constitutes main corporate social responsibility projects. A real traveler's domain is boundless. Wisdom has no boundaries. Sentury people explore the future with innovation and extend the development road with products as the tenacious walker under the heaven. This profundity is condensed in intelligent manufacturing of Sentury tires. This broadness becomes the unique quality of all Sentury people.